And what we've got, I'm going to quickly show you a replacement controller for the old IPS 302, which, as you can see, it's got a power supply and 3 output boards, which can be, you can adjust the minimum, maximum, ramp up and ramp down. So there are 4 screws on each card. So each card can drive 2 solenoids up and down, basically. So you need 2 of these boxes to power up to 1 joystick, and then you can then drive a 6-section solenoid, a valve block like this. Now, this control system is an old system, so how do we go for a replacement control system if the hardware on a forestry machine is working all right? Now, what we've done is we have come up with a simple solution where we'll show you that it's easy plug-and-play type solution. This is a controller made by STW, Sensor-Technik Wiedemann from Germany. And this is a programmable digital controller which has got outputs, and this particular controller has been configured for 12 proportional current output and plus 5, which means totally it has got 17 outputs. Now what we've got is a wire harness which we have done, which means 2 of these joysticks should be powered by this, and it's providing input to control those functions. And it's also got a foot pedal that is being controlled by this, and the outputs are all going to solenoids. So what we have done is a quick connect system by which we have taken a lot of the pain out of the system. Of
course, everything's labelled.
It's hopefully labelled, and it's got left-hand joystick which is labelled here. That'll go to the left-hand side joystick, so that'll connect straight to this. It's got all the power supply, ground, and all the outputs ready for this for 1 joystick. Similarly, we have one more for the second joystick, which is the right hand, which is right marked on that. That's ready for this, and this is ready connected. Now, each of these joystick can handle 3 axes: X minus, X plus, Y minus, Y plus, and Z, which is minus to plus. This Z function is usually used for a logical function, like you have grapple open, grapple close, or a steer left and right, because that's what gives you left to right movement. Now, some customers ask for a foot pedal for propulsion control, and we also made a connector ready for that. So it's a 3-pin connect, Deutsch connector again, quick connect, and this has been connected. This has been all connected. The power supply, ground, and everything is ready for the joysticks. This is a amp junior power timer contact system with a latch, so it's quite easy to put it in. It's a 68-pin connector, but goes in like a breeze. That's it. The connector is locked in place. The outputs going to the solenoid have been wired into a 12-pin Deutsch connector, which we got a matching wire harness coming out here, and with this, it's already pre-wired, labeled, and gone into this. This has got about a 3-meter long wire harness coming out of this, and the connectors already pre-crimped for like an L90 or K170 LS type valve, and labeled slew A, and grapple open, outer boom, lift down, lift up, and so on. So this is powering a 12 solenoid or 6 mobile sectional valve type outputs. For the odd ones which require a closed loop propulsion control, we also have outputs for the closed loop transmission, which is electro-proportionately controlled, and there are 2 outputs, proportional outputs, for going to a Hirschman type connector and a spare ground. Okay. This is how easy it is to connect this system, and we have done the wire harnessing and everything. As regards pricing, we have kept it in such a way that this costs just as much as 2 IPS 302 boxes with 2 joysticks in the normal pricing days. So you should not be paying anywhere more than 2 of these units with 2 joysticks. So this whole upgrade will cost less than $10,000.
Okay.